Hi guys, this is Again Andrea again, back again with another mukbang. And today I'm going to do a story time, a spontaneous sort of story time. But let me show you what type of food I'm eating today. Today is Saturday, and normally in Trinidad and Tobago on a Saturday you have some nice soup, right? And this here is some split pea soup. If you look at, you have some sweet potato. You understand? You have some noodles on the side here. You have a piece of chicken. Make a simple pot. You have a piece of chicken. And you must have your dumpling. Let me get a dumpling. You must have a dumpling. A dumpling look like this. Cornmeal dumpling. You understand? And some carrots on the side. So this is typically a meal that you get in Trinidad on a Saturday. If you go 2 in or 3 in every 5 homes, you will get some soup. You will get some nice split pea soup. Sometimes you put a little oxtail in it. You put a little salt meat, pigtail, that kind of stuff. Yeah, before I begin, let me do a little thumbnail with you all. Alright, let's now go on. Before I begin, I want to really thank my subscribers for subscribing, having faith in me on my videos, on my food channel, on my mukbangs, on my street videos, and my story time, which is becoming the heart of me, my story time. So I want to thank you subscribers. I'm almost the 800 mark, heading for 1K. And it's been a long drawn out process, you know, because at one time I was thinking, hey, I need to stop doing this. This is just a waste of time. This is just so much of work, and to get the video together and then to have it edited and posted. It's a lot of work, but you know, patience is good too. Patience is really virtue. So I am thankful again, and I want you to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Share my video with friends and family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys will be notified of any new video Andrea has put up. Okay, so let's cut to the chase and start eating this soup. So in Trinidad on a Saturday we normally prepare soup, right? You get up in the morning, you wash your chicken and you season it up real nice. You understand? You have to season your meat, because we Trinidadian love to season our meat. And if you want you know, most time you put the chicken foot. But I'm not really a chicken foot person, you understand? Some people love the chicken foot, but I'm really not a chicken foot person. And you cook your little soup and stuff like that, and it's a relaxing kind of soup. When you eat split pea soup, you feel so relaxed, because this loaded with so much of nutrients. You understand? If you have the flow, like in this COVID era, make a little split pea soup and drop in a pepper on it. You see this pepper? This is a Congo pepper. Drop in your Congo pepper in it one time and let it infuse flavors into that pot. You understand? So this is what I'm talking about. So you know, let me see what we will talk about today. We're talking about situation involving COVID-19. Now COVID-19 has affected a lot of people's lives. From the old to the young, it has affected their lives. Because with the old people, let's say for example, you imagine you have a mother or a grandmother or grandfather, a great uncle, a great aunt in the nursing home. They're sick and they're in the nursing home. They either have dementia or something like that. Imagine you can't even visit your family. Isn't that heartbreaking? You can't visit the people who take care of you, who powder your bottom and all of that, and give you your first bike lesson. You understand? You can't visit them because of COVID. And most of them not cognitive enough to do zooming or anything like that. So it's a waste of time. You understand? Zooming in, because they can't be touched. They can't, you know, the love cannot be transferred as it's supposed to. So this is what COVID has done to us. With the young people, you know, it has made them be subjected to having all kind of thoughts in their head. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore, parents have to spend a lot of time and patience with these young people. COVID has also affected the lives of the side chick. Because if you're a side chick and you're depending on this man to give you X, Y, and Z, COVID hit. COVID has hit. And this man had to make sure that, especially if you have children, you have to pay all the bills in the house. You have to bring food and pay the mortgage or the rent. He had no time for the side chick. The side chick getting next to nothing. He can't spend time with she because he can't go out to spend no time with no side chick. So them side chick and them the business boss. Yeah, so the side chick, she business really boss because you know she ain't getting the kind of money she's supposed to get and the time spent with the man. So for all you side chicks out there, all you have to learn to find all yourself, all your own man. You understand? Don't find nobody else man for them. Find yourself your own man. In this COVID, you have to teach your children, your young people, how to prepare meals. Because you can't go to no restaurant and say you're sitting down and eat. You can eat with a mask on your face. Look at me. I make a nice pot soup with dumplings and everything, as I said, and I really enjoying it, and it making you sweat. Oh God, when you eat soup, you just sweat. I think this will make you lose weight, you know. I really think this will make you lose weight. Yeah. And COVID-19 has taught people a lot of stuff. It has taught people how to live with each other. You understand? Because imagine you're in a house with family who already ain't going nowhere. You have to understand each of their personality and deal with it. You understand? And it makes you, you know, you don't spend. You try to save your money during COVID. You don't buy nothing. The only thing you should buy is food. Buy food. That's all you need to buy. And pay your bills. You understand? Don't go and say you're going to shop online and buy this and buy that and buy the other. For what? You don't need none of that. You save your money. You understand? Try to formulate ways in which you could make money by doing YouTube. You understand? If you're really good at something, man, I'm telling you, go and do a YouTube channel. Do a YouTube channel. Sometimes it does take a long time. Sometimes you tell yourself, okay, I only have 10 subscribers. And when you look, you see other people with 1.5 million subscribers and all them stuff. Don't let that scare you. Don't let that deter you from rejoicing. You understand? You should be able to rejoice with whatever you have and build up on yourself. Like my subscribers are just growing just like that now. They're just growing. I thank you so much. I love you subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate the faith that you have in me, as I've said. You understand? And I will continue to deliver my videos for you guys. You know, my cooking channel and stuff like that. Make you enjoy life and be happy. Oh God, this pepper hot. This pepper really burning my mouth. You know, the years are just passing by. So, don't procrastinate. Go and do what you feel you could do. You understand? If you're really good at singing, do a singing video. You know? It might be loved by many. You might make another person happy in this world by just your singing. By your cooking, by your story time and all that. You understand? So, normally when I eat good food, as I say, it is make you belch, eh? So sometimes you might be hearing some belching in my videos. Yeah, as I say, don't give up. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Sometimes the 10 subscribers lead to 20. 20 lead to 100. 100 lead to 500. Right? But doing like about 3 videos a week. If you don't want to, like, that's why I am sort of, my playlist is a bit extensive. It's just not basically based on food. You understand? So if you, according to the weather, if it's hot outside, I'll go outside and do a story time, or I might be in the kitchen cooking, or on the street doing a funny street video or something like that. But don't give up. Just be persistent, and before you know it, you'll reach that target goal that you're supposed to reach. You understand? So anyway, I'm really enjoying this meal. Soup made from scratch. From a girl and prayer. I like to really indulge in good food. Because Yeah. So just sit back and enjoy yourself. Try and eat healthy for this COVID-19 because, you know, you need to build up your immune health. Food that is loaded with peppers and stuff like that, spicy food is all good for you. You know, it good for you. Spicy food. Take your vitamin C on a daily basis. Try and cook your own food. So, try not to eat. Try to eat, not to eat too much restaurant food. Because, you know, the other day I see on Facebook, we had some people cooking. Listen to me. You wouldn't believe what I saw. They taking trash from the trash can and putting in your food. They spitting in your food. Eh? They pissing in your food. Man, you all really have to cook your own food. Cook your own food. Please, people, cook your own food. Stay healthy. Because some people are just scums. They call them scums of the earth when they're doing that to another human being. Right? So, I'm getting off now. As I said, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So this is your girl Andrea. Signing off. See you again with another great video. Bye for now. Bye.